was to bring the history and heritage to people in as creative way as possible. So we were trying to build a place where you can have the freedom to be creative and get that sense of accomplishment that comes with creating something.
He lived in a fairy dune with his wife Boomnock. One day he crossed a stream. He saw a maiden preparing to wash her hair. Sunlight fell on the long braids as she loosened them, making her hair shine like gold.
It starts back like 5,000 years with the myths and legends with Midir and Etain, which is one of the lesser known legends, but there's a lot of connections with, like, Midir is meant to have built the Bog Road in Corlay, and then St Patrick left St Mel in charge here, so it was one of the first early Christian sites in Ireland, and there's still the ruins of St Mel's Cathedral in the village, and St Bridget was here, so there's a lot of connections with the early saints and scholars. Move on, Fetherstons built the village basically to be seen from their doorway, so it's a model estate village, and it was based on a village in Switzerland that they liked, so that's why it has the high-pitched roofs that served purpose there because of the snow, like they're designed to let the snow fall off, but it was because they liked them and they liked the stone look, so the village, I suppose, developed around their house. And
I'm Annette Corkery and we're here at Creative Ardagh in Ardagh Heritage and Creativity Centre today, and we're an SFI Discover Centre. The building was originally done as a heritage centre, and there's a lot about the legend of Midir and Etain, and we do integrated workshops for schools based on the legend and the history. We have third class group here from Gaelscoil Longford today, so we adapted our Woodlands creations for the older age group. Whereas our two DPSM workshops are curriculum linked, and they integrate with the history and the natural heritage around here, and then we bring art in to everything we do here.